गुड मॉर्निंग जी। It means non-farm is bad.
Basically 32 points नीचे गई है। अच्छा अभी गई yes न्यूज़ पे नहीं न्यूज़ के टाइम में मैंने ओसीओ किया हुआ था कुछ नहीं हुआ अब नीचे रहा
उनको भी लग गया कि इन्होंने ओसीओ लेने शुरू किया न्यूज़ से थोड़ी।
मैंने एमएनक्यू में ओसीओ 30 पॉइंट्स अवे कर दिया कुछ
All right. That's all.
सब्सक्रिप्शन में जाना मुझे
सब्सक्रिप्शन लेकिन
नहीं जो पुराना वाला
डेड है
उसको कैंसिल
यस यस सब्सक्रिप्शन में जा पहले आप एक काम करें जो डेड है उसका प्लान पे क्लिक करें उस पे उस डैशबोर्ड पे जाएं और प्लान पे क्लिक करें।
ये डेड है ना?
हाँ तो यहाँ ये नहीं मुझे मालूम क्लिक करें डैशबोर्ड पे और आपको नजर आएगा जो डेड अकाउंट है उस पे लिखा रीसेट वाला ऑप्शन आ रहा होगा। तो फिर हमने उसका प्लान पे क्लिक करना है ताकि वहां से चीजें हों। तो यहाँ से पिक करें कौन सा प्लान डेड है। ठीक है एक एक पे क्लिक करें।
अच्छा क्लिक करो
हाँ तो वो आपको बताएगा कि ये वाला सही है या नहीं। -1500 हो गया कंडीशन नहीं अभी लोड हो रहा है। इसमें जान है
इसमें तो जान लग रही है।
हाँ
तो फिर तो 4 होने चाहिए टोटल। ये नहीं है शायद
ये हो गया 23,500
हाँ
ईश्वर
तो ये बेकार है उसमें भी लिखा होता है ना मैं इसमें जाके इसमें भी है इसके अंदर मेरा जो अकाउंट नहीं है वो है
ऑलमोस्ट S2 से बाउंस हो रही है ऑलमोस्ट राइट नाउ। All right, let's see this. This is done. Let me share my screen.
इसको क्या करना है इस वाले
कैंसिल उसके प्लान पे जाएं वहाँ लेफ्ट पे नीचे आपका डैशबोर्ड वाला हाँ यहाँ पर प्लान पे कहीं लिखा होगा सॉरी ये प्लान पे
अच्छा
प्लान पे क्लिक करें वहाँ आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं।
नेक्स्ट और कैंसिल कहाँ से करना है एडिट
ये मैनेज सब्सक्रिप्शन डिटेल्स
एंड सब्सक्रिप्शन
हाँ वो लिखा ऊपर कैंसिल
ये कैंसिल
हाँ जी
अच्छा
तो अब वो कैंसिल हो गया। All right, today I'm not fasting so I can
ओके वो सब में जाके ऐसे कर सकते हैं तो
जी
जो कल का एक्टिव हुआ वो अकाउंट कहाँ है वो तो मुझे
नहीं वो दोबारा ही रिफ्रेश हो जाता है पुराना वाला उनमें देखेंगे इसमें फुल ट्रेडोवेट पे लॉगिन करें और वहां देखेंगे क्या सेटअप हुआ है।
वो तो नहीं मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया
अब ये नहीं मुझे मालूम अब वो हो गया तो वो भी चला गया।
मेरे को लगा कि चौथा दिखाएंगे मुझे मालूम नहीं था कैसे करते हैं।
नहीं नो प्रॉब्लम प्लीज ओके सो नेक्स्ट इज
तो ट्रेडोवेट पे ये दिखा रहा है जो कैंसिल पुराना हुआ पर अलग तो मैंने नया वाला कैंसिल कर दिया
तो वो नंबर डिफरेंट था ना जो आपने कैंसिल करना था वो जो 3 नंबर है
वो 9 वो तो मुझे ये नहीं मालूम था ना कि ऐसा होता है ये नहीं अगर स्टार्ट डेट 3 फरवरी की है तो फिर वो
स्टार्ट नहीं, बैलेंस देखा करें कि
नहीं, ये तो फिर वो वाला सब्सक्रिप्शन अगर करा तो वो तो ठीक है ना। अगर
नहीं, वो ठीक है। ट्रेडर विंड में जाए,
ये ट्रेडर
अभी ट्रेडर विंड में 2 अकाउंट शो कर रहे हैं ना, तो सही है।
नहीं तो फिर जो आज रिन्यू आया वो कहाँ है? वो ये वाला है?
ये मोस्ट लाइकली ये वाला है।
ये मेरा ये वाला ये और अच्छा ये सेकंड अकाउंट है मेरा,
ओके,
जो मैंने सेकंड बार लिया था।
अभी आप ये वाला टॉप वाला ट्रेड
मैं
करें ना,
टॉप वाला कर
तो मैं 11 o'clock के बाद लॉग इन करता हूँ कि आपकी सब्सक्रिप्शन कौन सी थी।
ठीक है,
No.
तो अभी मैं उसे जल्दी से कर
Yeah.
दूँगी।
All right, Friday morning areas are updated, March 21st. Let's take a base is down, pressure is down. Let's look at forex factory. आज कोई न्यूज़ थी?
9 o'clock है। The news was at 8:30.
8:30.
Retail sales and retail sales. दोनों ही गंदी हैं।
नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन नहीं, आज फ्राइडे 21 को तो कोई न्यूज़
Canadian है ना, core retail sales।
नहीं, कैनेडियन तो हमें परवाह ही नहीं है।
US FOMC।
हाँ, यूएस, मैं इसीलिए परेशान हूँ ये क्यों गिरा है, क्योंकि न्यूज़ ही कोई नहीं है। क्योंकि अब मुझे सिर्फ ना, टुडे वाज नो न्यूज़ डे, but that mid band worked on 15, 10 and 30, 20 both. I think it's just base is down, pressure is down, strike price becomes 19,660. And yesterday's areas, Monday to Friday. Thursday, 19,660. $19,932. Down is 19,686. So 246-point difference. Right now the price is 700. So very close to pivots.
जैसे अभी ये ट्रेड जैसे भी ड्यूटी ट्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रही है मिड पॉइंट को टच करके ना।
हाँ,
तो इसको जो सेल का ट्रेड का फायदा लगता है
हो चुका है मीनिंग आई थी। अगर आप मैं 30-20 का मिड बैंड है ना, वो आई और आपको 4 पॉइंट दिए और चली गई। मीनिंग अब द बेस्ट प्लेस टू सेल फ्रॉम इज S1 because look at where the red boxes are on 30-20. So that retrace, remember it's a 36-point swing. It should do a retrace in a yellow box first, baby, and then at so better to wait for it because I want to have a higher low on 30-20 before I start going up.
Okay.
Because right now still I'm look from 30-20 mid band, it has given you almost 5 points.
Yes.
The price came down 36 points. It went up, touched the mid band, came down. It just in this case, I wouldn't have taken 15-10 mid band anyway because it's such a huge swing. And the 30-20 was so severely oversold, it needed a bit of a retreat. So either setup is somewhat coming, but not yet because 30-20 either will make a divergence, go inside S2, or make a higher low. Either or, it can change the trend through a divergence. So we should wait. If you had taken a 30-20 mid band, you're done your trade technically. But let me quickly check Nasdaq. For those quickly want to do Nasdaq, I'll do it. S2 came very close to S2.
आज फ्राइडे है Third Friday of the month.
नॉन फार्म में से गिर किस दिन रहा है? मार्च 20.
20 पे जगह पे SRM बना ना, 10 बना, black value.
Yes. Yeah, but either it will go through the breakout or make a lower low. So let's see. But 30-20 right now at this moment is in a bit of a divergence.
Because the way it seems like it might even break as too.
So 4.75, not 1 point yet. Still tested, missed Ben, even though it came from a higher low, but it was one tick away. Previous lower low would have been your 566,725. So एक टिक से रह गई. No, but लेकिन वो जो नीचे आ रही थी ना, वो भी एक टिक की कफ. So one tick is truly the. But right now, I think it will go back into S2, and then maybe push back up. Let's see. Because Nasdaq is a bit far. Anyway, let's see.
Closely, if you monitor small figures, they're below. Yes, they're below the midpoint. Yes, you put down.
इधर मुश्किल हो गया कितना करूं. मैं सोच रहा हूं करूंगा.
No.
S2 for us. 663. S2 ले सकते हैं.
S2 valid है. अभी तक तो टच नहीं हुई.
एजेंट पे आप चार्ट ट्रेड ही ले सकते हैं,
Hmm?
प्रैक्टिस पे चार्ट ट्रेड ही मैक्सिमम ले सकते हैं।
नहीं, char lots. Trade is as many.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, char lots. 4 lots.
practice पे.
So price is opening near S2. You are on Zoom? What's going on? All right, Zoom is okay now. Nasdaq S is not valid, G. It's too close. It will break through S2 if it opens up. So be very careful. Just still have half an hour. The new candle just opened at 10 o'clock. So Nasdaq to R1, 970 to 20,000. Maybe we'll decide near R1 or R2. Too close to, it could penetrate. It could definitely penetrate. The Nasdaq is going down.
पहला एक ट्रेड ना डेमो में करना चाहिए तो आपका मूड सेट होता है उससे। डेमो में पैसे बनते हैं तो फिर असली में जाओ। सही बात है।
So because of tariffs, this is happening. Still, more tariffs.
The worst part is that like how China imposed the tariff on Canada.
It's just everybody's fighting.
They just, you know what? Let's tariff everyone.
Yes.
tariff खेलते हैं।
ऐसे गलत TikTok खेल रहे हैं।
Yes.
They just want their cars to come to Canada, right? That's what they want.
I personally feel it so. Who knows what's going on?
सर आगे आ सकते हैं। नहीं सर वो पार्टी नहीं आ रही आजकल नहीं आ रही।
घर से कर रहे हैं।
घर से कर रहे हैं।
Okay, let's do the morning ritual. Good morning, everybody. Friday, March 21st, 9:03 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are joining us at superareas.com. Right now, situation is due to tariffs, market has fallen 200 points on Nasdaq, 50 points on ES. We are opening very close to S2 right now. Still, we have 27 minutes to go before we officially open. So more chances are it could go to expected low or whatever. So right now, price is inside S2 officially. right now we are inside S2. So let's look at Nasdaq last night. What did Nasdaq do in the evening? Nasdaq, we have high of 19,932, and right now the low is still being made as it's going down and down, 19,655. So Nasdaq has fallen 277 points, and ES is continuing to drop. So let's see from S2, does it bounce back up? Yes, technically S2 is done and your area is done. S2 is done for both Nasdaq and for both ES. So we are back in a bit of a green in S2 is officially done for Nasdaq. So if you missed it, you missed it, nothing. So what's left on the table is S3 for everything. And more chances are it could actually go there. Tried to touch a mid band, came down, but touched mid band, I don't know, and gave you 2 points there. So S2 trade is done for both Nasdaq and ES, correct. जा सकती है जी, expected low is the next number. Now we are waiting for it to. There you go. Touch the mid band, another mid band at 5665. And went down again. Price came from a lower low, touched. I don't know if anybody had it placed over there. Testing S2 one more time. All right. Because 9:30, this candle can turn into green, but time will tell. Now it's a huge gap from here to 40 S3, quite a bit. So From here to S2 to S3 is like 56.12. It's हाँ सब कुछ फारग हो गया ना तो S3 पे डेफिनेटली जा सकती है जी. But again, we don't. If it goes to S3, we'll do a buy from there. That's it. But along with the mid bands, we'll go down, right? So if you want to go take a mid band to the down, that's how you step down. But let's see if it at 9:30 first because it has fallen so much. There are people waiting to sell at a different price. Let's say you open your computer now and you miss this ride. I would see people sitting at 56.80, like so. It has to go and fill those orders in and then maybe go down, right? So it will slightly turn green for temporarily. And
you're talking about ES?
yes, both ES and Nasdaq. Like every single big swing generally has a bit of a retrace, right? But look at that breakout. So previous breakout on 3020. If you missed a mid-band and you took a breakout, that's almost like 12 points on a 3020 breakout. So trades are happening every place. Previous 1510 breakout had a point. Problem is we see it after the fact. Oh, I should have taken this, done this. It's too late. So right now 1510 has given you some breakouts, and especially this S2 breakout, the bottom 56, it has given you almost like 4 points. I think everybody's now waiting another 12 minutes or so to see which way do they want to take up. I want it to go to expected low, so it's more points for me for a retrace.
Does it make sense to put that buy trade that gets expected low, or just wait for now?
Wait, buy order, wait for now. See how the trend keeps going.
Because both the things are right now, right?
Mm-hmm. Just stuck at that midband. Meanwhile, we'll get our pledge out of the way. I'll let you guys finish this midband. Let's see if anybody may be in the order.
Put midband on 1510.
Yeah, right now it's testing midband 1510.
That's 56, 63, right?
Yeah.
differential हो गया सर.
Trying to pull up.
Oh, yes, there was something kind of stuff.
Sorry. Yeah, I was just trying to trip myself. So I can leave and go home early. All right, 30 seconds. I bear witness to myself that today I will check the news. I will place my stop losses. I will follow my strategy and not trade randomly. I will treat today as my first day. I will stay disciplined and not gamble. And I'll do what I see, not what I think. That's it. 30 seconds. Oh, done. So hopefully we'll get some good vibes out of this. Again, this is all voluntarily. आपकी लकी चेयर है कोई? 30-20 mid-band worked. Just saying. Touched the mid-band 30-20. Even 15-10 mid-band didn't hit a stop loss. It was at 8.5. So, but it's a bit of a weak. 30-20 gave you 2 points. 15-10 maybe 1 point. But let's see what will happen next. So I think it wants to go down more. So if you took a mid-band on 15-10, you made money.
So this one didn't work. The only problem with this was last year. And only
7 more minutes and then
you're here? Yes, yes, sir.
इसके कारण
5, 6, 3, 7, 5. After this, the request.
Nasdaq 12S2602. New low So night session is still being formed. It is going lower and lower and lower. So 4 more minutes and let's see where's the official night session. Right now the night session is 56.51. So it's very close to opening and S2. So what's on the table, guys? S3 left for support and area, expected low left for both Nasdaq and ES. That's it. So 56.12 to 56.02 for ES and 19,440 to 390 for Nasdaq. Nothing really else for areas. On the upper side, that's far. Lots of shock waves are coming. Quick. Another mid-band worked. Sir, sorry, S2 पे खुल रहा है तो I wouldn't take it. S2 से भी नीचे, so it should give us a bit of a retrace right now. Because the price is opening so low near S2. So let's see if it gives a bounce back yet. So divergence on there you go. Market officially opens. Let's see which way it wants to go now.
तभी आप इनको बोला जब बात करेंगे कि बीच में सेंस नहीं पड़ता है कैंसिलेशन.
Now both are in higher highs. Let's see.
सिचुएशन में मिडबैंड की प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी।
अब बढ़ गई है ना, दोनों हायर हाइज पे हैं, दोनों लार्ज ट्रिगर्स आर ओपन. It can still fail even though 100% is, but things are got back up to.
Wow, shoot up so fast.
Yes. Because price opened way too low, so some people look at, hey, it's a good place to buy maybe.
And that's the reason why you always say like wait before the.
I took that mid-band, by the way. Let's see.
So mid-band to go down right now?
No, up. But that mid-band failed for me.
So mid-band on 3020 to go down?
No, nothing yet.
The market is moving too fast.
Yeah, it's going back fully too fast. Even though both were higher highs, it hit my stop loss. Back into S2. Too much fluctuation, both sides. $30.20 has a bit of a setup, but it could fail at 56 because you have two blues and a black. Let's see if it goes down. You center right here. There you go, 2 points done. 3, 4 more. Finally, 30-20 setup. The first setup worked. It was a higher high, higher low, lower high, gave you. Now start selling at a mid band, I think. Let's see. Because right now price is stuck near S2. Way too fast. Nasdaq is stuck at the bottom range of our this area.
Order filled. Target filled.
Nice. That's too quite strong. Absolutely no trade right now because nothing is moving in any direction.
I made one stupid mistake yesterday. I was watching a video, so I wanted to test and learn from the video, and I didn't realize I was on the right line account,
Oh, okay.
and I lost almost $1,000.
Testing. Well, that's excellent.
Because I was trying to like learn from videos, so I thought I was a demo account.
Happens. I've seen it all.
Seriously, when I opened my this like, when I looked, I'm like,
Your heart sinks.
seriously, I was like, believe I had like a lot of courage to come today.
No, it's remember it's only $33, but you're treating it like a real money, right?
Exactly, like because I'm taking this pledge seriously.
Yes, yes. You must. That's how it's supposed to. It's built it that way.
I'm happy with today. I'm getting $50.
Okay.
So now 500 becomes 650.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Today is my per dia day number 1 into live account, right? So I did my And my goal is on a $3,000 account, $100 a day. So at the end of the day, I can, like I've been taking take profits, Apex, but to show per day, day number one is once I reach $100 before 11, whatever, I'm calling it a day. 100 US for 90 minutes of work is not bad, right? So just to show an example that it is very much possible, very much possible. That mid-band didn't work. Let's see breakout works, because then we will go back into higher highs on both. Oh, thank you.
5, 6, 7.
If there had not been a failure, like how the hedging, I would have not even showed up. Logic works.
Sorry? देखिए, अकाउंट जो मर्जी ले, आपकी ट्रेडिंग नहीं ठीक, अकाउंट की चेंज होने से आपकी ट्रेडिंग नहीं ठीक हो जाएगी. मैं आपको बार बार ये कहता हूँ. I have users who jump from Apex to Bullnox to Perdia to tape. It has nothing to do with an account. One account is not better than another. Other account is not worse than the other. If you don't know how to enter, that account is just, because what happens is, it's just a psychological thing, right? So what I explained on Perdia is slightly different account. So that you don't have to complete 2 stages. You go straight into funding. Like so, after about around 10:30, I'll explain how that account works.
What is the Ninja takeover by some other company?
Yes, Kraken is a company that does your what do you call it? Cryptos. So very soon, if you want to buy crypto, you can use Coinbase. You can use so many cryptocurrency companies. But Kraken is a company that deals with crypto, and Ninja is bought. Kraken bought Ninja. So the benefit for us would be if you want to trade, let's say XRP, right? Yes, inside these charts. So it's a huge advantage. You can trade altcoins through these charts now. Very
Bigger than Ninja?
sorry.
That company is bigger than Ninja?
Oh, like they're offering Ninja $1.5 billion just to buy it, right? So they will have an account, right? So
647-502-805.
कनेक्टेड हो गए.
आपने हॉस्पिटल कनेक्ट किया.
अच्छा, एक बारी निंजा रिस्टार्ट करना, एक बारी. Sure. No. Two points, blue, black. Already came and gone. And then mid-bands, first pullback. नहीं यस में 30-20 में चेक कीजिएगा क्या हुआ है. ओके ठीक है. Let's see. Price is something we call this in consolidations. Way black, too many black candles.
So we want to see areas. By default, yeah, 31%. These pivots are available. These pivots also to create arbitrage.
Nasdaq R1 is a good number for Nasdaq. And ES, somebody asked me what's the next support. We'll wait for at least S1 would act as a good resistance. So Nasdaq for R1, ES for your R1 Nasdaq resistance, and ES for too fast. Oh man.
Gold का expected low rate now.
Gold expected low. Okay, no.
ये तो यूज है तो किस वजह
तो
यूज तो नहीं
नहीं कुछ नहीं, बस अगली कैंडल का वेट करना है। अगर ग्रीन खुली 10 o'clock, chances are it will go up. So 3 more minutes next candle. नहीं बढ़िया, मैंने एनी डेस्क हो
Sun 971-104.
ये देखो ये हमारी पेशेंस है देखो सर
One, two, three, four.
That is strange. सर मार्च के कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में बैठे हुए हैं, मार्च में तो मूवमेंट ही नहीं है, एक सेकंड अप डाउन। मार्च में तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ही डेड हो गया, तो कनेक्टेड हैं तो मार्च से तो जून में जाए ना, तो एनीवे अभी सही हो जाएगा, अभी सारे के सारे सही हो जाएंगे। सो 30 सेकंड दे सही हो जाए, तो वो सारा टाइम 9 साढ़े 9 से आप मार्च में बैठे हुए थे, होता है वो, तो उन्होंने यस किया और फिर नो करके क्लोज कर दिया। अब सही है।
अच्छा एंड में क्लोज किया
यस यस सो मैं सरप्राइज था, मैं कहा यार कनेक्शन भी ठीक है, सब कुछ है, तो पर मैंने गलती से पढ़ लिया मार्च, सो इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। The previous midman was a gap trade. Your BBs did not touch the midline, so that's considered a gap trade. You still sold it on a midband, but since 1 hour or half an hour, the price is still stuck in S2. Goes back up slightly, but back to.
Hello? Who is this? Hi, hello, settle ready. 2020 में भी 15-10 में भी
Nasdaq and ES are out of sync right now. One is in S2, but Nasdaq is much above. Let's see if they get synced again.
Yeah, sure.
Two more ticks and my trade is done. Yep. Blue, black, 30-20.
I think 30-20 minute I'm waiting right now.
Order filled.
I hope so. I already created a link. I will find it online.
Waiting for a higher low in 30-20. Almost 1 hour price is not breaking S2, which no direction whatsoever. Slightly up, slightly down, but for ES. Both strong support, resistance, both. No. There you go, Nasdaq pulled it up big time. That was a gap trade and a mid-band trade. So, 2 पॉइंट निकल गए।
अभी अकाउंट भाई के 2 मिनट लेके बंद कर दिया।
तो आपने जो काम 7 घंटे में करना था 15 मिनट में कर लिया ना। अब आप 7 बजे तक बैठोगे तो फारत तक अब वापस देने शुरू कर दें।
नहीं वापस नहीं।
मैंने अपने 2 पॉइंट लिए हुए हैं आज, या S3 का वेट कर रहा हूँ या R1 का, बैठा हुआ हूँ, कोई ट्रेड नहीं चल रहा। तो पर्डिया का अकाउंट का टारगेट था $100, वो कर लिया है। शाम को जाऊंगा, विड्रॉ कर लूंगा। तो वो पहले फैमिली तो खाने पीने से पहले खर्च चुकी होती है। तो इसमें इट्स ओके। अब लीजिएगा, एक्सपेक्टेड लो से लंबे जाएंगे। अगर एक्सपेक्टेड लो आ गई ना, लेकिन 4 बजे आई तो ना लीजिएगा, क्योंकि आगे मार्केट क्लोज है। तो ये काम फिर संडे को 6 बजे कीजिएगा।
संडे को 6 बजे तक ये वैलिड रहेगा।
हाँ जी, एरियाज जो रहते हैं ना वो संडे को रहते हैं वैलिड। So generally the rule of area is until they are touched or 24 hours, but because of the weekend. Still waiting for a 30-20 higher low, so I can get a proper setup to go up.
गोल्ड का आइडिया लिया तो
नहीं सर, नहीं सर, मैं गोल्ड हो गया। ठीक है, ठीक है, आपने शाउट किया था, थैंक यू, मैंने देखा नहीं।
गोल्ड का क्या हो रहा है?
एक्सपेक्टेड लो पे आई थी।
सर ये जैसे यहाँ पे अब मैंने जैसे ES है, मैंने यहाँ पे
इतने ज्यादा ना खोलें चार्ट, कंप्यूटर बहुत स्लो हो जाएगा। मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ आपको, क्योंकि 1510 इतनी स्पीड से बढ़ता है कि आप जितने चार्ट देखेंगे ना उतना कम करें। चलो, अब थोड़ी सी Nasdaq की मूवमेंट बनी है, इट्स गोइंग स्टार्टिंग टू गो अप स्लाइटली। Nasdaq is into S1. Let's see if S1 works as a resistance for Nasdaq. First stop of Nasdaq could be around 19,900 Nasdaq. That's your 9 session high. तो दोनों highs हो गए। The night session was there you go. Don't take the Nasdaq S1 too close. Let's see.
S1 becomes a strong resistance and S1 के आसपास ही मार्केट बन जाता है सुबह और S2 पे कंट्रोल 40 मिनट्स लगते हैं। ट्राई टू गो
19. So it respected S1 actually as a resistance for Nasdaq. 19,900. Where did it go to? 19,970. 19,970. 19,605. मिड बैंड था,
मैंने सर उसके लिए 20 के लिए
अच्छा ले लिया, ओके दैट्स फाइन,
15-10 वाला वर्क किया लेकिन मेरा 30-20 पे था।
दैट्स फाइन। ये ना हो कि इन्होंने ले उसी दिन डाइवर्जेंस बन जाए। अब शायद एक और लाइन लगाए डाइवर्जेंस की. लेट्स सी ब्लैक एंड ऊपर मीनिंग because again price is going up, strength is not going up. So for Nasdaq, and anyway, बना थोड़ा से point दिए, pull back up. So I'm waiting for R1. Nasdaq, I'm waiting for truly R1. सर उससे 3 नीचे चीजें खड़ी हैं. अगर आप देखें 60 नाइट सेशन खड़ा है, 60 मिनट का मिड पॉइंट खड़ा है, पीपी खड़ा है, तो अभी पहुंचते पहुंचते R1 में बड़ी देर है. तो ये from here to R1 is almost 200 points. So let's see. वो आ गई दूसरी लाइन, right? So anybody can actually instantly spot divergence on ES. Price has gone up, strength is still down. You know the line is going to come after the black candle. Yes, but again, this kind of gave us a couple of points, right? So, but so you have green, stay in buying. Doesn't matter. You have red, stay in selling. Do not go against the trend ever until your area hits. Of course, area was S2 today worked. S1 Nasdaq resistance work. We're not in S1 for ESS1 is far, very far. My opinion, it should start to go at least to the worst value area. 5704, it should try to enter. Because if these green candles start to form, it should go. Because R2 is the upper range of value area. मैं देखता हूँ, नहीं देखता हूँ. बिल्कुल मिड बैंड आपका पिक हुआ 30-20 का हो गया सर. 4 पॉइंट लिए तो इतना प्यारा गैप ट्रेड था 30-20 में. क्योंकि उधर डबल डाइवर्जेंस आ जाए तो 30-20 के मिड बैंड में बैठ जाए, आपको कुछ 1-2 पॉइंट मिल जाएंगे. मैं तो अभी फोटो खींच रहा हूँ. 942 to 952. We had back-to-back setups. Blue, blue, black, sell to the downside. Black, black, blue, sell to the upside. Pretty powerful mid-band 30-20. So 67 to 72, 5 points. Okay, I'll start right now. Price is moving. I'll tell you a quick dirty secret in this. If you're having hard time picking a mid-band order on 1510, you're like, I can't keep this, right? The low of the bar of 3020 is a mid-band for 1510. So you can take something called the low of the bar trade too. Every time the trend changes in green or blue, green or red, you can place your order at the low of the bar. So if you look at these, so because some users question me that, hey, I on the fast markets, I can't place the trades that fast, right? So just watch how 3020 moves down. This is a 3020 chart. If you want, you can right now, for example, you can start to place, when the trend changes to red, you can start to place your trade on top of these bars. So that is your mid-band trade on a 1510. So if you take a look at, that's called so you won't get panicked so much because this moves even slower, right? So you can take a 3020, the moment it changes color from green to red and red to green, go at the bottom, place your orders right here. So if I want to sell right now, just as an example, top of the bar, how would I do it? Let's turn on Chart Trader and let me pick an account. I want to sell here, sell limit. If you will see, let's see where it puts it, it's very close to your mid band on that side. So some users who are having hard time putting a trade on 1510 because of so much volatility, you can try to put a trade on 3020, but at the bottom of the bar. So on 3020 at the bottom of the bar when it's green, when it's red. So let's see, in this case, when the price went black candle, trend changed to the green, you went right here and you place your order. If that bar, like, look right here, you see this? Price came twice there, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So your mind will be at ease if you want to do it. So it's bottom of the bar. So the moment you have a trend change, and you bottom of the bar 1, bottom of the bar 2, bottom of the bar 3, bottom of the bar 4. So
Isn't it still the same thing? Like how do you determine which is
so this is the bar size, right? So this bar is 20 ticks, 30-20. Other one is 10 ticks. I got a message that, hey, I'm having hard time putting a mid-band order on 1510, which is okay. Market is moving too fast up and down. This is slightly slow. So here I sold at the top of the bar and it picked me up and already gave me $75. It's not, again, my luck that wherever I put, I get money. It's not a problem. So from here to here, I got my 71 point or 2 points from here. So if the price is going up, you want to, background color is green, you want to buy bottom of the bar. So this will be, look at that top of the bar trade still works because I saw a bit of a rejection wick. So
But it was still the background was still.
I know.
right?
It's just because I was able to see that rejection make, I said I have more chances the price will go down. It can still go against me, but again, some users will do it. This is a 5-point trade right here, $250. So here, I'm not panicking on 1510. Hey, what is happening on 1510, right? So I just sold right here, top of the bar, and then you can practice this on both. Even right now, against the trend, top of the bar. If the candles form this way, top of the bar, but your probability is higher this way if the background color is in your favor. And what is your stop loss? You have to know your stop loss from here. So the stop loss is, so you have your candle here, and you put a buy limit here. Of course, it will be a buy limit, right? Because you want to buy to the top. So the next black candle will be from this. Let me give you exact. So 8.5 from this point would be your black candle.
How do you know from that point?
Because any top of the bar, you will have a number, right? From here, you can calculate 8.5, and that would be your black candle. So every black candle is formed from 562, this number, to 8.5. This black candle was formed, this minus 8.5. Next black candle will get formed, this plus 8.5. So there's a static rule called 34 ticks or 19 ticks. In a 1510 chart, the black candles get formed every 19 ticks, up or down. I hope I'm trying to make sense to everybody. It's just the question came in, I don't want to trade 1510, it's too fast. What is my alternative? Trend change, buy at the bottom of the bar. When it goes to red, sell at the bottom, top of the bar, which will put it the place you can instantly see. So interesting, eh? How right trade can go in your favor at any time. So great. मैं अभी calculate कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए. So, all right. So I'm right now. I'm in both in magenta, right? Let's see if I sell on top of here, because I want to sell on top of this part. 30-20. I will go right here. I place my sell order, sell limit. There you go. Look at where it hits it on 1510, very close to your mid band, right? So now it moved down. I will bring my order down. नहीं इसको attach नहीं बार के साथ attach नहीं होता. So you gotta move this now. I will move it. नहीं आप double click कर लेते हैं ना. So now the trend is down. This would be my sell at top of this bar. Let's see what happens at this time. If you see, it's very close to the mid band, top of the bar. And does it pick up? No, not yet. अभी करा देता हूँ. हो गया जी. ठीक है जी. फूक मार दी मैंने. हो गया जी. ठीक है. टॉप ऑफ द बार सेल किया. देखिए यहाँ से क्या होता है. Okay, still can go against me, but I'm at the top of the bar. So now I have to calculate my stop loss. All right. Okay, wait. 1 candle, 2 candle. So 6. Now it would take so $137 or so, because if it changes against me the next black candle, I have to get out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to exit right here. So this trade is same as this trade. So if you set top of the bar, you're very close to the mid band here. So top of the bar or bottom of the bar is the same thing. So my stop loss would be from here to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me give you exact ticks. I think approximately $137 divided by, let's say 150 divided by 50, 3 points. About 3 points, approximately 3. Oh, wow, that worked. Huh? Okay, no problem. That's okay.
हमारा जो होता है हमारा तो
It's okay. Still went in my favor. Unbelievable. Yes.
सर हमारा अकाउंट लेके ना वहाँ पे चलाया करो।
No problem.
अच्छा सर ये क्या बनेगा इसकी?
Wait. I want to see if it goes to 10.25 because I have two blues and a black. Will it go down or no?
चलो अपन लड़ेंगे तो थोड़े नए से जाएंगे।
I don't have any emotions against any entry or exit, right? So I just go, what's the worst could happen? It could hit my stop loss, and I didn't have a stop loss and it went in my favor, right? So even having no stop loss, it kind of went in the favor.
So 12 ticks proper.
12 ticks. Let's calculate exact. So I want to make sure that I am. Now I kind of can tell you why it should have not failed. 1 second. So where's the black candles? If I took it here, 6650. 1 second. Duplicate in the new term. If you're comfortable doing 1510, it's fine, but some users are comfortable doing 3020 top and bottom of the bar. Let me give you the math. So candle is at here. 5662. So 3.5 points maximum your stop loss from top of the bar to bottom of the bar. Yeah, 3.5 points is your maximum stop loss. So 14 ticks. So if it picks you and when goes in your favor, the whole bar is 20 ticks, right?
सर 15-10 की जो है वो टिक होती है।
नहीं 10 ticks, $125 की पूरा बार. Yeah. So in this case, the trend is going to change soon. So I will go look, I'm placing my order at the bottom of the bar. There you go. 3020. क्योंकि मैं 1510 को छोड़ रहा हूँ ना, तो bottom of the bar लगाया, green हो गया background, तो मैं इधर भी तो green में ही कर रहा हूँ ना, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली ग्रीन हो जाएगा. अगर इधर रेड है तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली रेड है. तो आपको 1510 को नहीं देखना, लेकिन वो आप देखेंगे कहाँ ऑर्डर लगाता है. So in this case, let me turn off chart hidden. So this is my 1510. I'm not touching it, but I'm using 3020 to place my orders. So at the bottom of the bar, I place my order. Where would be my stop loss? So 68. Let's put an ATM here. So my profit is, let's see if it picks me up right now. 1 second. No, didn't pick me up. Oh, didn't, and it went back up. But 1510, because I'm so close to the bottom, but 1510 trade passed and went. It didn't pick me up because I was slightly lower. But had you taken 1510, you're done. But sometimes users are saying I'm having hard time trading on 1510. But 1510, both are green. Price is coming from higher high. SRE setup has just passed, and I am going green. But profit ticks, let's say 12 ticks profit, and 16 ticks stop loss. Call it 30-20, 12 to 16. 12 SL, 16 TP. There you go. Now, if I will attach my ATM to it, again, I will place it right at the bottom, buy limit. Congratulations. Good. ठीक है सर, पॉइंट उतने ही रहेंगे. आप उसको देखिए, आपने अंडा बनाना है एक बंदे के लिए, 100 बंदों के लिए, इंग्रेडिएंट्स तो सेम है ना, तो मैं इसीलिए हमेशा लाइव स्ट्रीम पे पॉइंट्स की बात करता हूँ. आप वहाँ 10 स्लॉट लगा दोगे तो वहाँ 5000 बन जाएगा, right? So it's fine. So I'm again at the bottom of the 30-20. It will automatically place my order somewhere on the mid, slightly lower than mid band, right? So 15-10. So users who are having hard time placing a trade on 15-10 can go to 30-20. Then you don't have to match 15-10 at all. You're trading on higher time frame. So at the bottom of the bar is my trade. So this is the similar mid-band trade on 15-10, but you may miss, just like we missed it by a tick or point. So when it would be red, I will do top of the bar. When it's green, I will do bottom of the bar. So the word on the one of the methods, 14 method, this one is called retracement divergence. That's what you have learned in the video 4. This trade method is not a mid-band method. You're not placing the trade at a mid-band. You're not placing a trade at a mid-band. The word is called the retracement divergence. Because look, in this case, price came down here, right? Did any of my BBs move? No. Any of my strength move? No. So that's called, so technically the word is called retracement divergence trade. Slightly offset, and so now my bar has gone up. I will move this right here. Now that's my, so then you don't have so much chaos happening in 15-10. नहीं फिर तो आप देख ही नहीं रहे ना 15-10, क्योंकि मैं तो बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ ना. So इस टाइम फ्रेम में, so if that makes your job easier, trying to give you, remember every single one of you, all 12,000 have different style of trading. Some trade area, some trade mid-band, some trade gap trade, some will do Fibonacci, some will do SRES, but get comfortable to wherever you're making the most money. But if you took this mid-band, you're done your whole target of the day. So there you go. Now I place my order at the bottom of this. हाँ, तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस ज्यादा ज्यादा ब्लैक कैंडल बनी तो स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो जाएगा. ये ब्लैक कैंडल तो बन सकती है ना. नहीं तो वो विक आपको उठा लेगी ना, क्योंकि आपको उठाने आई है ना वो आपके ऑर्डर को. So at the bottom of the bar of 30-20, test this. See if that trade works for you. Because your brain has to do a lot of calculations to do 15-10, 30-20, SRES. Is this okay? Is this green? Is this blue? Is this higher high? So slightly easier method, but it's not a mid-band trade. So the frequency may be less. To get to a bottom of the bar on 30-20, it takes, so, and if it pulls up, I will pull up one more bar beside it. So that's called the retracement divergence trade. But if you get one bar, that's $250 and you're done, or $25, because that one bar is good enough for. There you go. I went up one tick, so I will move my here and as you see, I'm very close to mid-band of 15-10 now. So bottom of the bar comes very close to the mid-band. If it goes higher, let's see. So retracement divergence trade. Let's see, does it pick me up? Not yet. But it kind of, did it touch mid-band on 15-10? No, not yet. Divergence. There you go, I got picked up and my ATM is opened. So let's see. If it makes a black candle, I'll get stopped out. But if it goes back up, I'm done. I'm done. 1 tick, 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 1 point done. Trade live. 4 ticks, I'm done. No, you can. No, it's right here. You can turn on right here, chart trader, in this right here.
No, I don't see that many.
No, make it expand first. I'm already up 2 points, guys, from this trade, bottom of the bar trade. सर 3.5 पॉइंट या 4 पॉइंट, 3.5 तो 4 तक रखो, क्योंकि ब्लैक कैंडल अगली पड़ेगी तो 12 होंगे ना. So far I got 2 points out of this trade. 2 and a. देखें आपके खुला हुआ छोड़ा हुआ है वो, देखें मेरे 8 टिक्स बने और मेरा ट्रेड भी डन हो गया. और आई थिंक मैं शायद नेचुरली इसको इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करता चीजों को. और पेन कोई बात, एटीएम करके बंद कर दिया करें. देखें या वो नहीं, फिर बंद पैनिक क्यों करना, फिर कहीं और देखा करें. ये देखें इस 30-20 में पहली रिजेक्शन हुई, वो वहीं पर मिड बैंड ही था ना उधर, तो इट वर्क्स है. सर टीपी खुला छोड़ो सर, है ऑटो ट्रेल ला दो 8 टिक तो बाद. लेकिन this was a pure bottom of the bar retracement divergence 2 points. So there are points hidden everywhere. Now I will not enter this bar again. I will wait for the next bar. Oh no, not the same bar, not the same mid band, not the same area, not the same nothing. That trade, whether it goes to $500 or $50, I'm done. People will say, let's take the mid band again, and then boom, it goes against you, right? So in this case, it has given me 3 points. I took my 12 ticks, whatever, and I got out, right? So
30 ticks is the maximum you said, the stop loss.
I would say 3.5 points at the bottom of the bar. So let's look at the math right here. 56.76 minus 8.5. So 56.76 minus 8.5 is 5,667.50. So where my bottom of the bar? My bottom of the bar is at 5,670. Let me make it. Look at this whole bar was $250. It just went up and up and up. So 5670.75. So 3.5 maximum 3.5 stop loss.
3.5 ticks. Sorry.
Points. So 3.5 times 12. Times 4, sorry. So 14 ticks. 14 ticks, 15 ticks, it's up to you. But it will give you a bit of a comfortable entrance, because you know what happens is, if you're taking a mid band here, you got to give yourself 20 ticks. Sir, round 1 or 2? अभी round 2 में मिठाई खिलाएंगे. round good process सिर्फ chat करनी है उनके साथ, chat करनी. Like from here to here, look how crazy it went. Like 5, 6, 7 points. Okay. Maybe you can start trailing manually, but because what will happen, in my personal opinion, in my 4 years of trading futures, this trade has the lowest amount of stop loss. Because remember, when you're doing a black candle, SRES, you gotta keep your trade open until the next black candle. Right, 4.75 or 8.5. That's a huge stop loss. When you're doing a mid-band trade, how much you gotta go? At least 20 ticks, right? That's 5 points. This trade has the slowest stop loss before you know, maybe you want to take 4 ticks and exit at 3.5 points, right? So risk to reward ratio, that's where in this trade is the lowest. Bottom of the bar. Now you can do the same thing, but again, then you would say, what's the point of coming back? That single trade could have given you $600, by the way. Just saying, bottom of the bar on 30-20. So कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके। ट्रेड मेरे साथ लगाया तो निकलना भी तो मेरे साथ था, निकल पहले गए। उन्होंने कसम खाई थी एक्सपेक्टेड हाई से, मैंने उस 600 बनाए, वो 200 में पैनिक करके बंद करके। इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके, डोंट वरी, टेक्स टाइम, टेक्स टाइम। कुछ लोग यहाँ बॉटम ऑफ द बार ट्रेड लगा देंगे। ये देखिए नहीं, ये क्या होता है अगर यहाँ से लगाता हूँ बॉटम से, भाग गया। Okay, same idea. Let's see if it gives me any points. हाँ, ट्रेंड के साथ जाएंगे ना।
When trend changes, that's better, or
Trend changes. That's the bottom of the bar on 1510. But it gets too fast for you guys. Like it's gonna get.
For a 1510, the kind of a stop loss should be around 15.
देखिए बॉटम ऑफ द बार 1510 से भी 1 पॉइंट ले लिया यार, सारे 2 पॉइंट दे दिया जी। देखें जहां से ट्रेड लगाएंगे इंशाल्लाह वहीं से पैसे बनेंगे, फिक्र ना करें। नहीं 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 नहीं, नहीं। तो देखें वहां से 2 पॉइंट बॉटम ऑफ द बार से भी ले ली। सिर्फ आपको ना अपने ट्रेड पे कॉन्फिडेंट होना चाहिए, क्यों कि क्या होगा, क्या हो जाएगा। अब वो देखिए ऊपर आगे मेरा वो 12 टिप से बंद हो जाएगा जाके, प्रॉफिट जैसे ऊपर चला जाएगा 2 या उधर बंद हो जाएगा या उधर। सर 12 का रखा हुआ है, 12 का, लेकिन थोड़ा तो बड़ा रखें यार। तो अगर एक अच्छा ट्रेड, ये देखें 125 और $150 ये डन हो गया। Isn't that exciting? That it's making $150, $100 is that easy? But problem is, please hold back, don't panic, assess the situation. This was a bottom of the bar trade on a 1510. It gave me 3 points, right? So you can do bottom. So out of the 14 type of trades, this is called retracement divergence. Why? You see this rejection wick? From here, any of these BBs came down? No. Any of these came down? No. So it's a retracement divergence trade, bottom of the bar, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. So you have, again, 14 ways: breakouts, divergence, position trading, value area. Again, one day I will show you how rejection wick trade, 2 ticks in and out. You see a previous rejection, do a buy stop on top of the next bar, and then it will take you up. Are we in S1 yet? Very close, very close. Somebody just took a live trade with me on this bottom of the bar, says got $250. He's like, man, just keep placing your trades. It's okay. So now, so now the next area is S1, 56.95 to 56.98. Are we getting an S1? No, too far. So in terms of area trade, how would your, so you go to 95, 96, 97, maybe 96.50. There you go. I've placed the sell limit here. That's my area trade. When the price will go inside here, I will open up an ATM and that's it. So that's my area trade.
When you're taking the bottom of the bar, what should be the stop loss?
3.5 point. 3.5 क्यों 3.5 क्योंकि सबसे कम इसमें, सबसे कम। और अगर 1510 में बॉटम ऑफ द बार पिक कर लिया तो आपने करना है टॉप से 4.75, ये बनता है, क्योंकि उसमें और कम हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपका स्टॉप लॉस ब्लैक कैंडल है ना, तो ब्लैक कैंडल कहाँ से फॉर्म करेंगी। ये देखिए एक और बॉटम ऑफ द बार ट्रेड चल गया। Yeah, so from here, so 56.91. Let me do 96.25, 96, maybe 25 as my area trade. So that's my area trade right now.
So on area trade, you did a buy stop?
No, sell limit. Sell limit, because in S1, I'm expecting price to go down. I wish I had a magic that I took a trade here. All of you guys took a trade there. There is an option that I have, but because of so many legal issues, we cannot do that. It can happen. If I click here, every single one of you ninja traders will get the same trade. It's got that, yeah.
सर एक वो भी तो है लाइक अपने अकाउंट बाय कर लो उसको सारा अटैच करा लो
हाँ, वो भी वही है ना, लेकिन इसमें ये भी है, इसमें एक स्टेप आगे निंजा वालों ने दिया हुआ है। एक बंदा मास्टर ट्रेड करता है, वो बेशक आप यूएई में बैठे हो, आप मेरे से सिंक हो जाओगे, क्लिक करेंगे उधर ट्रेड जाएगा। So that's a, but it has a bit of a bugs over network. Sometimes I took a trade, so we tried that, and sorry, it's not legal, not illegal. It's good for training purposes. Idea is I want to train you where I'm taking an entry, and you don't have to click. Oh, you can see, all right. So some people, the idea is SIM to SIM. But if you attach your SIM and you change your account, I cannot know. So I took a trade, but I was told you will be taking on SIM as well, right? But if I took a trade and you change the account, I cannot know, right? So it's kind of a gray area. So
let's try that.
no problem. Hey, yeah, I don't have a problem. It has a service, has a cost. I think they charge like $200 a month, Ninja. But we
lost 10 accounts of
no. Again, that's not that. I'll tell you what happened. About 6 to 8 months ago, we tried that, and we were testing this actually. And somebody complained to Apex on one of the guys. Hey, these guys are doing group trades. So 4 of our audits came, because what happens is the word gets around so quickly. Hey, let's join this, and so we shut it down completely. Perdia, good. Okay. So let me show you my progress first, because I like to show how I did, and that way you will see the whole thing. So I opened up a Perdia. So let's go to superareas.com, and I click on this company called Perdia Capital. So here's the benefit. As you get mature in trading, that's the question. So as you get better at trading, this is the best company to go with after you're ready. So Legends, Bullknox, APAs, they have 2 stages. They want you to complete round 1 and round 2. And please let me break it down. I'm not against you to put you through this misery. For all I care is take 4 classes, go to GFF, put in $5,000, lose it, never trade again. Most people do that. They're like, they're like, I'm ready to trade. In the early days, 5-6 years ago, Daniel would say, if you don't have 3 months of practice, we're not opening you a live account. When I came here, everybody was scared. When I joined, because before then, we had Ninja 7, and you didn't have this luxury of funded accounts. So I introduced funded accounts in this company, and I said, in new users that's coming, demo is great. You know, your demo is open with $50,000 account. You lose. Eventually, price comes back, and the end of the day, you are profitable. That's not how trading works. Trading with the real companies work. So the Legends, Apex, Bullknox, Perdia, all of these are testing companies to give user discipline. My goal is to make sure that you trade 20, 30, 40 days, and this discipline comes. Take 2 points every day. 7, like Legend tests you 7 days. Then they will test you 10 more days, right? And you know how difficult it is to make 450. Yesterday, I asked somebody to lose some money because, so the whole idea is, again, is I know it's painful, but it's this disciplinary, right? So eventually, you guys will go there. Eventually. This is a company where you give them, if you open a live account, you open up, let's say you have $3,000, for example, and you open up a live account, $3,000 will give you $3,000, right? That's a 1-to-1 ratio. And GFF will charge you $123 per month to keep the account open. Ninja price and this. Now this company will give you, they will charge you anywhere from $450 to $750. That's a, when they're on sale, it's $450. When they're not on sale, it's $750. And they'll give you $3,000. The benefit of this company is there is no exam. So you're making money from day one. So if they open up an account for $750, I don't introduce this at the beginning. Number one, it's costly. And if you don't know how to trade, you're going to ruin $750 and then run away faster, right? So let's log into my dashboard. And so I bought their per dia exam for $750. And there's no expiry. There's no monthly fee, nothing like that. This. Sorry? One.
And you have the coupons.
Yeah. It's coupon is there. It's for $750 right now, right?
So you say every month they charge, right?
No. There's no every month charges. No monthly charges.
If you lose 3,000.
Yeah. So how much you have? So let's write it down. How does your account start with? I will write it down. You have $100,000 of number. Again, number. Don't think how much money. This is just a number. And they will have a 3,000. So they want you to prove to them you can make $3,000 at least. So your account balance opens up with 100,000. You can pick the cheaper one too, right? Which is 2,050. You have to go to this price. Forget how much yesterday was it. So every day on trader weight, this is your target. This is your balance. You cannot go to zero. Meaning, so what are your conditions? So if you log in right now, so this was my account. It says per dia, you have to trade 10 days before you can pull your money out, right? So let me log in right now. This is my progress. March 7th, I made $930. March 10th, 778. March 11th, so this is my progress. And on one day, yes, $185 took a loss, got out, not trading, not losing. They don't have a limit, man. They said do whatever. This is as good as a live account. Why do I put you through legends? It's just disciplinary, nothing. This is the ultimate way to do it. So once you're there, so in one day, first day, $940. They don't increase your threshold. So I got $0. I still only have maximum 3,000 I can lose. But my target, day number 2, I made $780. Zero. Now I've almost covered half of my goal, more than 50% of my goal. Third day, I made $720. And I swear to Allah, most of these, maybe 95% are micros. I entered with 5 micros, took my 60, 80, 90, 100, got out. So if I were to log in, these are all done micros. Maybe at one point I entered 5 micros, price went against me, I did a 5 micro again, did an average. So these are all done by micro. I got 0. So my threshold is not increasing, but I'm almost done. Almost done 80% of my thing. Next trade, I trade for $6. 0. Trade for $275. 0. Here I lost 185, right? So I lost 185 here from my threshold. Now I only had like $2,800 in my account. So the moment I got to, so next day, so I traded for 10 days. Look, $4 because I just needed to make an entry so my 10 days are done. Next day I made $22, got out, just need to do an entry. 214, 23, 10 days, start from 7 March to 19 March, my per dia is done. So, and they have one more condition though. 5 of these days must be at least $200. So you can't just make 50 and 50 and 50 and finish your day. So really only 3 conditions. Make 3,000, trade for 10 days. Don't finish this before 10 days. We don't have a limit for you, but at least 5 days, you gotta have $200. So let's look at my days. More than 200 counts, more than 200 counts, more than 200 counts, 3 days, more than 200 counts, 4 days, and one more than. So my 5 days are complete.
Yeah.
My 10 days of trading are complete. On one day I made 443. Even I lost money, it counts. So this is the most relaxed company out there, but they want to spend $750. So what happens? At this time, 2 days ago, they sent me an email. What would you like to do? I can give you $3,000. So they said, all right, you spent $750, take your $3,000. Because remember, there's no passing exam. It's straight money. So they can offer me the $3,000. I can take it and go home. So that's one way of doing it.
So, but first you spend the 750.
So I spent $750. I opened the account.
Okay.
And I got to follow at least some of their conditions. So my 100,000 turned into 103,000. I did that in 10 days. You can do in 20 days. You can do this in 40 days. You can do this in 90 days. Nobody's asking you. What they say is, please make us 5 days more than $200. How do you do that as a beginner trader? At least in a month or 2 months, price will come to expected low. उस दिन आप जरा लंबा 200 के लिए बैठ जाओ 5 माइक्रो पता कितने होते हैं $250 $25 250 के लिए प्राइस हैज टू मूव 10 पॉइंट्स अगर 250 बनाने में 200 के लिए तो और कम मूव होने अगर आपके पास 5 माइक्रो और 200 का टारगेट है 200 डिवाइडेड बाय 25 यार प्राइस अगर 8 पॉइंट मूव हो ना तो आपका 200 का टारगेट डन हो गया. So again, don't overcomplicate things. So what I did yesterday, I said, I don't want the money. So they said, all right, this is good. So I said, make 3,000 as my starting balance. So I'm moving into a live account. So now I have $3,000 sitting with them and I can just trade every single day what I make above $100, I can withdraw. And by the way, I can withdraw this 3,000 anytime. So that's sitting there for any time. So no problem. So that's
anything you make above 100 per day.
because the issue is they're not going to let you take out $20. So they said make at least $100 to take a daily payout. All right. So let's take a look at the progress for today. So today is past 1 day. It doesn't show the other account. So give you a nice capital, like per dia capital certificate. I called my super areas that I've managed to pass. And so let me see desk performance. And as you make money, you are moved into, see right here, you see right here, request payout. So today was my day number 1. Okay. So let's click on my new account. This is my day number 1. How much money I made day 1? Today is 21st March, $105. I will refresh it. It should go to 119 because I did take another trade. $119.
This one is another account you open or the
No, same account. They gave me 2 options. Option 1, take your 3,000 and thank you very much. We had a good relationship together. You didn't lose because what they're hoping for it, you will lose this 750 and you will go aggressive because remember
you're keeping your $3,000 in that.
I can request anytime. Look, so I said, you know what, why don't you hold on to it? I don't want it right now. Let me build on it because I will take this 3,000, go to GFF because they don't want to open multi accounts for you. if you withdraw, they may not let you open another account. That's their terms and conditions says that you spend 750, you're taking 3,000. So I said, take my 3,000, hang on to it. I can withdraw anytime. I understand. So I will trade on top of it.
So now how much you can withdraw?
3,100. So look right here. It says, I am ready to. What is my balance? 3,119.85. So 119 I made today. I can request 3,119. No, if I had requested yesterday my 3,000, it's okay. My thing is done.
This one is another 10 days phase.
No more. It's daily now. It's now I'm gone into a daily. So
There's no convenience payout. You don't need
no.
all conditions are compared.
It's like you're having your own money now, right? So, but this should be done if you are able to trade with like discipline. If you don't have a discipline, for God's sake, don't do this. You will lose 750 faster than you will make it, right? So, all right. So I can go back again here, back. It says request payout. I can click right now. And I can say, all right, give me 3,119.85. That's it. And I can hit submit request and my whole, so like I spent 750, I'm getting $3,200 in 10 days. How crazy is this, right? So this is where I say it's free money on the table, but I will continue to grow this. Here's my plan. Watch my crazy plan. If I lose $2,000, I'll withdraw $1,000 and break even. Because remember, I put in 750. If I lost $2,000 in this account, I will request the next 1,000 and I'm gone, right? So it's a win-win situation at the ultimate because I don't want to let this account go to 2,000. What's the point? But tonight, what will I do? So let's do a live payout request. So I go request payout. I would like to request $119.85 because this is what I made today. There you go. Submit request. Done. That's how easy that is. So today I made 119. I have requested 119. My split is 90-10 with them. So they're giving me only $107, which is okay. I don't mind because my account is still 3,000. Out of 750, I have recovered $107. Now my account plan my cost has gone to 650. And I can still pull out this 3,000, no problem.
Yeah, but sir, like you pull out 190 right now. If you pull out 1,090,
Yeah.
your threshold will be 2,000, right?
Correct. I can, right now it says I can hit another request and I can pull out the full. So
They will charge $300 and then
they'll give me the $2,700 fully, no problem. But
If you
so
go down, so it will be like your account.
they don't like that. They said you're coming in, you're an experienced trader. So after 2 or 3 times, they'll block you. They say, hey, man, this guy comes in, gives us only 750. He takes out 27. They don't want that because what they want is this is real money. Wherever I took a trade, they made money too, right? And maybe in the back, they made some more money that they don't show me. So they are looking for traders who will grow the account and they will benefit. They don't want somebody to go in and get out and just run away with it, right? So now I have again $3,000 sitting. I will look at an opportunity wherever I see an opportunity at R2, S2, midband, SRES. I will make your 100. My goal is to cover my 2 points a day, $100 a day. So this was the job offer. If you have a live account of a $3,000, it is not that difficult to make $100 a day. I swear it's not. It's discipline तो मैं नहीं ठीक कर सकता. नहीं मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कितने ट्रेड.
You put only 750 from your.
देखिए मैंने 750 डाले ना.
Okay, so they gave you 3,000.
मुझे उन्होंने 3,000 का दिया. ठीक है. अब देखें जो आपका लेजेंड्स है, एपेक्स है, बुलनॉक्स है, यार वो 20-20, 30-30 डॉलर के अकाउंट है, इसलिए 2 स्टेजेस हैं. स्टेज 1 करें, आपने पहले दिए $33, आज आप देंगे 150, तो आपको $200 में 1,500 मिल रहा है. यहां पर स्टेज कोई नहीं है, स्टेज है 750, राइट? सो दैट्स हाउ द प्लान. सर ऑफर आती रहती है. वेट फॉर नेक्स्ट. वी वर थिंकिंग आई थिंक गुड फ्राइडे, मे बी ईस्टर मंडे इन मार्च ब्रेक में आती है ना. सो अगली हॉलीडे कब आती है अब जो बड़ी का आएगी? Good Friday. So whenever all these companies have a tendency of, by the way, that mid-band work going down, right, on 1510. अब पता नहीं आपने लिया कि नहीं. Congratulations. मैं इसमें भी कहता हूँ आप लोग ये भी लूज करते हो कि अगर डिसिप्लिन नहीं है. आपको पता होना चाहिए मेरा स्टॉप लॉस कितना है, मेरा
सर इसमें जो भी फ्यूचर बाय सेल करते हैं वो ब्रोकरेज तो लगती है ना?
नहीं, वो कमीशन लगता है, लेकिन $2 है ना.
खाली
$2 माइक्रो में. और बाकी मैं आपको अपना ट्रू रिजल्ट दिखाऊं. 21 ट्रेड लगे हैं इसको बनाने के लिए. माइक्रो में 21 ट्रेड में $120 बना है. तो मेरा जो नेट रिजल्ट था, एक सेकेंड सर मैं दिखा देता हूँ. माइक्रो में 5 माइक्रो में इतना मसला नहीं है. पहले तो मैंने S2 5 माइक्रो लग रहा हूँ. सो it was truly $156 worth of profit I made. So $30 went against my commission. Total. So 156 minus 120. So almost 25, 36. $2 per micro they're charging me, right?
Like buy and sell.
It's $1. So no. $2. One buy and sell is $2.
One buy and sell. Okay.
If you do mini, one buy and sell is $4. So that's the difference. So this is the per dia live, and I like to again show these are the. I like to do these things first myself, so then I can say, all right, this is working, this is not working. We tried FTT, company ran away. Unfortunately, there are companies. So this is your per dia explanation. One quickly, you will pay today $750. They'll open an account for $3,000. So what does that mean? I have an account for $3,000. I don't have to do an exam. I don't have to do anything, but I'm coughing up a lot of money. It's not $20 or $30. So once you're done, this was my progress. I did this in 10 days. And today I requested my first payout of $119.85. Tomorrow I will sit. If, sometime S3 comes and even a micro, the market shoots up or down. And if this becomes 450, I will request. So my goal is to leave 3,000 there. I can request anytime, no problem. But this is the.
Like once we reach 3,000.
Correct.
Let's say we want to build up some buffer.
Yes.
So we take it up to $5,000.
That's fine.
And leave $5,000.
Yeah.
And then.
See,
So our
anything.
threshold is
5,000.
plus 2,000.
Yes, correct. So now everything I add gets added. Remember, in this stage, nothing was added. It's not like I made 940 and they give me 3940. Next day I made another 780. It's not like 3940 plus 780.
Is there any maximum limit?
No, you can make 3,000 in one day. No problem. But
$10,000.
yes, so exactly. But in this case, I had a guy who made $2,000 and then he withdrew $2,000 same day. But that happens in round 2. Round 1, you gotta complete this way. So in a round 1, again, it's not even a round. It's just for the first 3,000, you have to do it this way, and then after that, there's no restriction.
For example, if you bring back, like you withdraw, so like $1,500.
Correct. So my balance is
right there.
correct.
So the condition of 5 trades.
No. My conditions is no longer there since I have crossed that bridge. I uploaded my driver license. I uploaded my utility bill. I uploaded my SIN number. I uploaded a form that I'm not a. I uploaded it, and now it's my account. It's like a live account. I go foreign. So
If you don't have license, then
passport. Another mid-band worked. Beautiful. Coming down. Any more questions on Perdia? Yeah. Sorry?
If your balance keeps going to zero, they don't block you.
No, they don't. You can, like, I blew up one account before. On December 18th, I was doing Perdia, an interest rate came and I sold. Okay, and you know where I sold from? Extreme low. Sorry, I bought from extreme low. Market had fallen, and that day on Nasdaq to extreme low, 600 points after the interest rate on December 18th. And I took a sensible entry and I said, it is at extreme low. Market has fallen 600 points. And I did a buy. From there, it fell down 400 more points. It's just that was one of those historical days where the market just didn't stop falling. It fell 1,000 days. So my per day got damaged. So then again, you go back in, you're like, all right, let's do. At that day, I should have had my stop loss, but the idea is if you lose 3,000, you're back to zero. You can, that's what they love. You can keep paying them 750. Now you're burning. They don't block you at all. They want you. So there you go. This is a whole per dia situation explained live. You can go. What I like about this is the following. By the way, this is our student right here. I know by heart because Naveed Bhai is our student. Quite a few at the bottom. I keep saying who gets moved into live. Eventually, you'll see my name there when they do update it. And this is their daily payout. Nathan took out 927. Stefan took out 908. Joycelyn took out 1,000. She took out 2,400. And again, she took out. So in the same day, she took out money. Adrian took out. So these are, look at this. On this lady, Barita, $1,200. 14, $1,200, 14, 20. So she's, that's money printing machine. And nothing. So I have at least 7 or 8 members since we are doing per dia. They have gone into the other account and they're milking slowly. And because here's now my worries are gone. What's the worst could happen? My cost of 750 has gone to 650 right now. It's a time waste, money waste is not there. I can take out $1,000 and all my investment into per dia is complete. And I'm still left with $2,000 to play. So
This is all in US.
This is all, yeah, of course. ये भी US है. 1000 का पड़ता है.
1,100.
So this is the per dia situation. लेजेंड में आप सीख जाएंगे, ट्रेडिंग सीख जाएंगे. कितनी देखिए 750 का अकाउंट है ना, तो वो 33 का आता है. मैं देखें चलो 22 भी करेंगे तो फिर भी जब तक आपकी होगा ये, या आप गिव अप करेंगे या मार्केट नहीं गिव अप करेंगे, आप ही. तो इवेंचुअली या होगा कि 5, 6, 8, 10 के बाद आप कहेंगे यार टू मच हो गया है. मैं तो फिर समझ आनी शुरू हो जाएगी कि यार ट्रेड में स्टॉप लॉस कितना है, टीपी कितना है, एसएल कितना है. अब ये नीचे जाते हुए 3 ट्रेड तो यहाँ सामने खड़े थे. So retracement divergence, today you guys learn. I'll try to upload that method. And yeah, अभी तो value area तो बहुत दूर है. But they're still valid. It didn't get to 57.04 yet. Expected low क्या चीज? सर मैं आपके सामने बैठा हूँ. हाँ जी. एक सेकंड दीजिए. Something happened to my video on live. I gotta fix that up. Sorry. There you go. Got a bit of video. Gee, I need it.
195. 057577
तो एक दफा फिर
195 057 577
ठीक सबका
See the S post see hello sir post office
अभी क्वेश्चन था कल दिल्ली चल रही है तो क्लासेस है कि नहीं?
नहीं कल क्लासेस नहीं है कल
कोई तो क्लोज रहेगा
सब वो
जब
सिर्फ
तक वो नहीं आते तब तक
करेक्ट सारी क्लासेस ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्डेड है तो हाँ वो यस ओके जी पहले मैं आपको देखता हूँ फर्स्ट थिंग इज फर्स्ट
The one I'm doing, I know the number.
अभी टोरंटो में जापान और डेक्स की मार्केट कितने बजे चालू होती है?
लेकिन सिर्फ गूगल पे आवर्स देख लेना तो देखिए सुबह 3 बजे शुरू हो जाएगा यूरोप की मार्केट
3 बजे
यस
और जापान की मार्केट
जापान की मार्केट मैंने कभी की नहीं तो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा सॉरी यार
हायर हाई 30 पॉइंट में हायर हाई हायर लो आ गया यहाँ पे लोअर हाई आ गया गेट रेडी फॉर दो टिक 15 मिनट
लेट्स सी
हो सकता है यार
मैं लेकिन इसमें क्रोम
ये
में
सेटअप आ रहा है
क्रोम हाँ जी
30 20 सेटअप आ रहा है
यार क्योंकि देखता हूँ हाँ सेटअप तो आ रहा है blue black बन रहा है but it didn't go to S1 that was the sad part I was sitting at 95 okay
Trump is doing speech right now.
आज फिर
वो देखो तो चलाएगा।
और लाइव अजलाओ जी शुरू होना शुरू अब वो फिर so 8645
ये इसमें मैं कर रही हूँ।
ठीक है
वो पहला आवाज जब सीट आके दिखाओ ये कौन सा है मैं एक टिक उसके नीचे और लगाता हूँ ब्लैक कैंडल बनाती है तो ऊपर चला गया तो एक और नीचे लगाता हूँ
ओके ये वाला इस नंबर तो 996 अभी अगेन 645 है
645 तो मैं कर रही हूँ।
हाँ।
तो वो तो मैंने टिक कर लिया। ठीक
तो
है।
996 है अच्छा 651 देखते हैं
वो जो नया रिन्यू हो वो कौन सा?
मुझे तो लगता है 654 ये वाला तो अकाउंट फिनिश हो गया सो ये देखें इस पे क्लिक करेंगे प्लान पे
जी।
और
इसका renew कब था?
इसका रिन्यूअल आना है February 3rd March 3rd April 3rd
उसको हटा
ये
दो।
पेंडिंग कैंसिल है ये कैंसिल कर चुकी हैं आप
अच्छा,
ये आप नहीं कर सके
ओके, एक मिनट लिख लेते हैं उसका नंबर।
ठीक है।
क्या नंबर था?
मैं अभी बताता हूँ 651
9711
651 एंड में सब ये थे
651
जो 996 है ना
जी।
उसको देखते हैं
तो ये तो कैंसिल हो गया। ठीक है।
ट्रेड ओवेट किधर है हाँ जी फॉरगेट अबाउट नहीं ये पीए में चलता है ये में नहीं कि कितना निकाल सकते हैं इसका नहीं उससे कोई था
651 is cancelled, 645 is live. Now we're
अब
gonna check
996 को देखते हैं 996 एक्टिव है और
on-
इसका
वही active?
ये ट्रेड ओवेट देखते हैं 996 भी डेड हो चुका है तो इसने रिन्यू होना है।
हो चुका होगा, देखो 20 मार्च का, ये तो नहीं रिन्यू हुआ कल।
एक सेकंड, नहीं
मैंने
नहीं, ये तो 19 अप्रैल को होना है। नेक्स्ट पेमेंट
टाइम बाद रिन्यू होता है, एक महीने बाद नहीं होता।
एक माह में तो 19 मार्च को हुआ है ना।
अच्छा, तो ये वाला जो हुआ आपने ऑटोमेटिकली,
यस,
क्योंकि मैंने वो रिन्यू नहीं, इसको कैंसिल नहीं करना, फिर तो इसको रहने देंगे ना।
नहीं लेकिन इसमें बैलेंस नहीं है कोई,
क्योंकि
देखिए
पुराना आएगा ना
हाँ
सारा।
19 फरवरी को आपका जो अकाउंट हुआ,
ये क्या लिखा था, $33 फॉर 2 आइटम्स।
नहीं वो एक वो होता है, एक मार्केट डेटा होता है। That's fine. 2 days ago हुआ।
मैं आपको बताती हूँ मेरा एक्चुअल में कौन सा था। ये मैंने एक्चुअल अकाउंट लिया था ना, वो लिया था मैंने 19 मार्च को, ये मैंने खुद बाय किया था।
हाँ।
रिन्यूअल में
तो फिर वो ये वाला होगा 645 वाला,
और जो रिन्यूअल हुआ वो कल हुआ ऑटोमेटिकली
19 का 2 दिन पहले।
19 वाला मैंने खुद का खरीदा हुआ, रिन्यूअल में नहीं था वो, मैंने एक्स्ट्रा सेपरेट खरीदा था, वो है 645।
देखिए अगर आपके सारे ऑर्डर देखे ना,
हाँ
आपके एक 19 को आपने खरीदा है।
हाँ, जो कि मेरा अभी का एक्टिव है,
ओके
मैंने खुद खरीदा। 645 है एंडिंग, 3 नंबर्स।
645 ठीक है।
ये मैंने 19 को लिया था, और जो 20 को हुआ वो कौन सा?
मेरा ख्याल है आपने वो ना कैंसिल कर दिया, मुझे यही डर लग रहा है।
मुझे नहीं पता, मैं कैसे कैंसिल कर, मुझे लगा कि वो नया दिखाएंगे, मुझे नहीं पता उसका रिन्यू होगा।
हाँ देखें आपने, मेरा ख्याल है वही ब्रांड न्यू वाला अकाउंट, क्योंकि अभी आपके पास सिर्फ 3 शो कर रहा है, 4 शो कर रहे थे पहले। तो अभी ये जो 996 वाला है, ये
वो तो
9
मैं 996 वाले को क्या है चेक करो, वो देखो
इसमें प्लान
इसका प्लान देखो, यही तो हुआ है लास्ट ऑर्डर डेट, बिल्कुल सही 20 तारीख।
ओके, अगर मंडे तक ये नया अकाउंट नहीं ना बन के आता तो हम उनके साथ चैट कर लेंगे। यू स्टिल हैव डेज, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। हाँ मैं पूछ लेता हूँ ना उनसे, मंडे को पूछ लेंगे कि वो
कि जो आज गलती से कैंसिल हो गया, तो ये जो आप देख रहे हो ये वाला, इसमें नहीं कुछ,
ये तो 19 फरवरी 19 मार्च को आपने प्रोसेस किया है।
ये तो मेरा खुद का अभी जो मैं कर रही हूँ।
नहीं फिर वो 645 है, मैं देख रहा हूँ 996 वाला।
996 में कुछ नहीं आ रहा, तो वही कैंसिल करके सो मैंने।
इसकी नहीं ये एक्टर
19 फरवरी वाला हुआ होगा ना रिन्यू 20 तारीख को।
अब यहाँ ये जॉब का वेट करते हैं।
अच्छा एक मिनट, अब वो वाला भी तो कैंसिल कर दो कोई।
अभी कुछ नहीं कैंसिल करेंगे, पहले उनसे देखेंगे।
ओके ठीक है, मैं चाहती हूँ कि दोबारा रिन्यू हो जाए। कोई रिन्यूअल के है तो नहीं ना मेरे पास में। और वो पुराना थ्रेशोल्ड लेके चलता है ना, थ्रेशोल्ड तो पूरा नहीं करता ना। मेरा कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं, मेरी पहली बार हुआ, मुझे मालूम नहीं, मुझे लगा वो सर्किट आता होगा।
I find trading on 30-20 much easier and smoother than on 50.
Sorry, say that
I
again.
find trading on 30-20
Easier?
much easier.
It's smoother, right?
Very
It's up to you.
No, I feel like
See, right now, look at 30-20. It's ये सेटअप बड़ा प्यारा बना था, किसी ने लिया, मैं बिजी था। देखें अब यहाँ नीचे जा रही है ना प्राइस.
like $100 on this one, right?
Okay, so if you, some users, I got a message when I explained it, they're finding 1510 too chaotic. What? Let me tell you a little background story. 10 years ago, we were trading 403, 408 because the volume was so little, you can pick up and down. Then we went from 805 to 1510. Then we dumped it because you couldn't even see 805. Let me show you 805 and 403 here. Duplicate it to the new window and you're gonna say this is nonsense. So let's do data series. This is a trade 10 years ago, 5 to 10. So, sorry, 8. It is the same thing, but zoomed in. For scalping, it's going to do the calculation. This is called an 805 chart. So 805 used to work with 1510. Now these days, the volatility in the market is so much that 1510 is so hard to comprehend. That's what I said.
So even on 1320, like even after the black candle, if the colors change,
yeah, just sell top of the
points there.
Yes,
always points.
But it's better to not take the recurring swing. You should be either take a breakout trade, meaning wait for a previous swing to confirm, or you should take your top of the bar. So
but top of the bar, like if like in one swing,
yes,
you can do it multiple times. Top of the
yeah, but every new bar. So right now, this would be my sell order. This is the top of the bar. Market has fallen quite a bit, so. बेशक देखें टॉप ऑफ द बार तो वहीं जाएगा जी, देखें उसका रूल नहीं चेंज होगा, रूल नहीं एक दफा क्या पता वो आपको पिक करके और 10 पॉइंट गिर जाए, आपकी क्या, हमें तो नहीं श्योर है ना. हमने कहा ऑर्डर लगाना है, यहाँ गए टॉप ऑफ द बार, यहाँ ऑर्डर लगा दिया सेल का.
कौन सा अकाउंट नंबर? उनको बोलो जो 20 मार्च को रिन्यू हुआ.
उनके बाद मुझे भी फिर चाहिए.
हाँ जी बताएं.
तो मुझे ना जो मेरे जो रिनॉक्स के अकाउंट है उनको मुझे याद नहीं डेट्स के एक्सपायर हो रहे
नहीं, वो डैशबोर्ड पे लिखा होता है सामने, बिल्कुल सामने. नहीं बुलॉन्ग्स की वेबसाइट पे.
तो मुझे बता देंगे ताकि मैंने किया नहीं मुझे. अब देख सकें उसके बाद
even 1320 micro
I've just taken top of the bar right now.
16.
1510. It's already given 2 reversals. I'm waiting for the third one. Okay, there is the because magic bands are down, large figures are open, small figures are open. If it comes up,
the magic bands are the red and the blue ones.
बुलॉक्स का ये सर है 3000. बुलॉक्स में जो हमने ये बनाया
3000 बना.
3000
माइक्रो से तो नहीं होगा, एक मिनी एटलीस्ट.
अलहमदुलिल्लाह ठीक हो गया. मेरा क्वेश्चन है अगर हमने लेकिन में 300 बनाए और बुलॉक्स में 125 बना दिया, 300 400 425, तो ये कहीं वो नहीं है कि दोनों अकाउंट को
नहीं सर, वो कंपनी डिफरेंट मेजर कर रही है, ये डिफरेंट क्या आप ऐसे तो नहीं कर सकते.
दोनों में 450 बना सकते.
उसमें इसी तरह ये जो जैसे जो बोल ये अरे जो
645 live है, 651 cancelled है और 996 है।
Just give me 2 seconds. And bank को touch कर गया.
कितना टाइम लगाते हैं आपको solve करने में?
Minus. अब 30-40 का मैं plan transfer हो रहा है. Still gives you a chance to different value. 1.25 पे आगे 1 पे आगे 1.25. So what do you do that in code? So let's start. 175 power. मैं 20 को लॉस लेके 30 को लॉस will come to the mid band. If I want, I can come out for this trade now. It's only 1.5. No. 1.5. I'm not sure whether it's going to come down or not.
Trading खूब fast होती है।
All right, guys, I gotta go. Take care. चैट कर रहे हैं उनके साथ, आपको एग्रीमेंट भेजेंगे ना?
मैंने चैट किया था तो कहते 24 to 48
ठीक
आवर्स
है।
में
अब उस अकाउंट को ट्रेड ना कीजिएगा बस।
रिव्यू करके तो
आपने 7 दिन ट्रेड किया मिनिमम, 8 दिन के, किसी दिन 450 से ज्यादा तो नहीं बनाया? गुड, आप पास हो जाएंगे। यही दो जबरदस्त लेजेंड में, पर्डिया में कोई लिमिट नहीं है डेली की, लेजेंड में 450 पर डे, पीए में मिनिमम नहीं है, लेकिन पीए में रिवर्स हो जाती है, पीए में 150 मिनिमम है। वो कह रहे हैं अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस अब मास्टर आएगा आपका, उसमें कंडीशन है कि आपने 10 दिन ट्रेड करना है, 10 दिन,
लिमिट है पर डे की
150 से कम ना ट्रेड करें। वो नहीं, अगर आपने $50 ट्रेड किया और नहीं दिन बन रहा तो डे नहीं काउंट होगा, पैसे काउंट हो जाएंगे। हेलो जी, गुड गुड गुड, ऑलराइट, सी यू गाइस ऑन। Let's see if we have an extension to the downside, but that mid-band worked good.
Yeah, it did. I should have taken the 30 time.
Demo account that I'm using today, so is the last week.
So Monday we'll sign up another one for another 2 weeks. New email.
You do it on Monday then.
Yeah, no problem. Or even go home, just go on ninjatrader.com and sign up a new demo account.
Or I can
With
do
it,
it.
yeah, anywhere. The guide is there on the website. New email and new demo.
One super areas for some, don't worry.
Monday.
Okay.
उनको लिखो हेलो हाउ आर यू?
नहीं वो सोच रहे होंगे, वो काफी है।
This is a very confused case. Market नीचे है, 0 line Crashes up. Even though the numbers are down.
He is touching the when to touch her.
चालू चाहिए ना
टच कर
ठीक है ना 60 और मार्केट ऐसा कुछ
लाइट तेज कर दूं
इसमें कंपनी ऐसा ही बनना है
ठीक है क्या आपका एसआरई बना था 1510 में
Sir, what is SRE?
Okay, it's a little bit too early, late to explain. Daniel's chapter 1 hour and 20 minutes, he explains higher highs and higher lows. That the word is, it's been here for 18 years. I just swing, retrace, extension.
Oh,
If there is that fell down quickly.
I am in need of 1 bank.
Okay.
Burning my account.
Sit down with Majid Bhai.
Majid Bhai is the bank.
Yes, pick a method and then, or Vikram Bhai, either or, both are. Vikram right here, right first.
Hello, are you able to take me under your wing?
We all are under one bank.
No, Daniel, take care.